Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I love to eat bread, and I love Italian food, so I'm pretty sure this is an Italian Panetteria baking cookbook. Let's find out. The author is Gennaro Contaldo. Let's take a peek. Gennaro's Italian Bakery. It came out in 2016, I believe. It's from Interlink Books. So far, so good. Beautiful photos. The table of contents, let's check it out. Introduction, obviously. Flours, yeast, biga, I'm not sure what biga is. Cooking notes, pane, focaccia, pizze, torta salate, pan dolci, crostate, biscotti, and torte. It all sounds delicious. All right, here's our author. Hello. Okay, info about his life, etc. Some flour. Let's get to it. The bread chapter, the stages of bread making. Basic bread dough. Oh, step-by-step photos, thank you. Grissini, plain, breadsticks. I have never made my own grissini. I've bought it before, it's really crunchy. I'll kind of alternate when I'm serving, like, I probably serve pasta twice a week. So the first time I'll serve crunchy breadsticks, and the second time I'll serve the soft ones. Treccia con ricotta e salvia. Braided loaf with ricotta and sage. From now on, I'm just going to read the English description. Milk rolls. Yum. Neapolitan peasant bread. I do like a good peasant bread. It really showcases delicious oil or butter. Okay, olive oil rolls. Ooh. This is a great cookbook so far. Pumpkin bread. Look how pretty that is, too. Perfect for autumn. I would even serve that at Christmas. That's how much we like pumpkin around here. Not sure what those are. Cheesy panettone. Whoa. I need to look up how to pronounce that. Panettone? Puglian bread. Here's a savory brioche. Yum. And here's a tomato loaf. Okay, I need to make that. Too bad we couldn't grow any tomatoes here in smoky Seattle. Here's a basic focaccia with sea salt. Now that looks burned to me. If I pulled that out of my oven, I'd be sad that I burned it, but I bet it tastes delicious. Step-by-step photos, yay! Focaccia with garlic and rosemary. That's the more traditional that I'm used to. Rolled and filled pugliese focaccia. Pugliese? Okay. Ooh! You know, I don't usually like it when cookbooks have pictures of their authors because usually it's some pretty lady just like, look how pretty I am. But I like seeing the author eating his food. This is not, he's not being narcissistic. These are grape and rosemary buns. Whoa. Nice. Okay, I gotta keep going. I gotta get out of the, oh, now we're in the pizza chapter? Yes. Okay. We all know what pizza looks like, but that's a gorgeous photo. Here's his basic pizza dough recipe, which I'm going to try making. Pizza bianca. We like tomato sauce around here. Look how thin these are and crispy. Ooh. Pizza marinara, pizza with mixed tomatoes and anchovies. I would skip the anchovies on my half of the pizza because I'm vegetarian, but my boyfriend would like them. He would then complain that the pizza's salty. Well, sweetie. Polenta pizza with greens. A healthy option, which I would not go for because greens are for the salad. Mini pizzas with tomato, mozzarella, and basil. You can make that for kids that are coming over to your little party. Here's more step-by-step pictures of our author. Gorgeous photos. This is a great book. Mini pizzas with mushrooms. Mini pizzas with prosciutto. Okay, we get the drift. Let me go ahead. Savory pies and tarts. Ooh. How perfect would these be for August? Torta salata con fave e carciofi. Savory pie with fava beans and artichokes. I wouldn't have thought to make that. I would make that. Here's a mixed grains mushroom pie. Ooh, yum. I love mushrooms. I might have to buy this cookbook. This is a library copy. Rainbow charred puff pastry roll. How about sun-dried tomato and olive parcels? That is something I would not have thought to make, and that looks incredible. Here's Tuscan sweetbread. Yum. Braided sweetbread. Aniseed and currant ring cake. Wow, that would be great with coffee and tea, I'm guessing. Or espresso, of course. Quick mini panettone. Mixed tropical fruit bread. Sicilian brioche. I'm not sure how that's different. Let's skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. But I want to show you this beautiful almond horseshoe. Wow. Okay, now where are we? Something with Nutella. Here's a dried apricot tart. Oh, we're in the tart chapter. Yay. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Okay. Jam tarts. Look at the cute little cherries cut out of pastry dough. I love it. Crostatine di marmellata. Perdula Sardinian ricotta tartlets. Oh, I wouldn't have thought to use ricotta. That's brilliant. Here's apple strudel, Italian style. And Nutella cookies. Let's end it at that so I'm not stealing someone's copyright by showing you too much. That was incredible. I totally want to own this. Gennaro Contaldo is the author. Panetteria is the title of the book. Gennaro's Italian Bakery. Love it. Oh my gosh. If you enjoyed this cookbook look through and review, you can see more of them on our cookbookdivas.com website. We post videos to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, of course, and occasionally to Pinterest. And if you'd like to click like and comment on our posts that you enjoyed, Facebook and Instagram will show you even more of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.